Hello everyone, welcome to Ines Creation Limited, where creativity meets professionalism. In today's video, I am going to show you how to design a stunning roll-up banner that's perfect for promoting businesses, events, and campaigns. Whether you are a designer seeking fresh ideas or someone who wants to understand the design process, you are in the right place. I will guide you to step by step through creating a banner that's eye-catching, informative, and impactful. By the end of this video, you will have all the tips you need to design a roll-up banner that stands out. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. After opening a page for a roll-up banner in Canva, go to the element and let's search for a shape. Here we are going to take a rectangle shape and let's place it all over the page. Drag it and place it all over the half page. And then let's change the color. We're going to take a solid color. Then again go to the element and search for a frame. Let's take this round frame and adjust it in the middle corner of the page. Then again from the element search for a building picture. This building picture and adjust it with the frame. Then let's give it a border weight and make it 100 and change the color in white. Then go to the edit and search for blur and make the whole picture blur. Keep the intensity 29 or 30. Adjust the picture nicely. And let's take a text box and type house. Change the font color in yellow and orange. Change the font style and make it uppercase. Let's take this font style, but let's change the word in home. And now copy the text box or take another text box and type for sale. Change the font color in white and adjust it under the home. Then let's go to the effect and give the both of the text outline in black. Then let's change the position of the rectangle. Keep it in right side. adjust the round shape, and then let's take a text box and paste the dummy text. Adjust it under the for sale. Change the font color in white and make it a bold. Also, let's give this dummy text an outline. This also a black outline. Let's make some adjustment. Then go to the elements and let's search for a half round. Take this round. No, let's take this round shape, half round shape, and rotate it and adjust all over the picture. Adjust it properly and adjust it as like it's a border of the picture. Put it under the frame and now adjust it. Change the color in white and copy this round shape and rotate it. Flip it vertically and adjust it. Now go to the layer and adjust the full things. The text in front of the picture and now make the picture transparency 95. Now adjust all of the thing properly. After that, let's go to the element and search for a frame. Take this rectangle frame and adjust it the left side and then press Alt or copy the frame and adjust it. Adjust 3 frames on the right side too. Arrange the frame properly. Let's go to the element and search for an apartment picture. Let's take these pictures and adjust the all frames. After adjusting the picture, Now take a text box and type offer date. Type all the texts. Copy the text box and type other text. Change the color of text and let's go to the element and search for a shape box. Let's take this shape box and adjust it under the 30,000. And now again go to the element and search for a dollar icon. Change this icon. Let's take this icon and adjust it with the amount. Now let's change the color of fonts in orange. Adjust it in the middle. Now keep the all alignment in left and adjust the amount, the middle of the box. Now take a text box and paste the dummy text and adjust it under the previous text. Adjust the dummy text. Then press Alt and copy the shape boxes in 3 under the 3 frames. And now let's adjust the frame and boxes together. Now make the frame corner round. Make them same rounding and adjust the frames and boxes together. Make all this thing in center alignment. Now let's change the text font style in Poppins. And now take another text box and type contractors. Adjust the contractors. Reduce the font size. And then go to the upload and search our logo INS Creation Limited. INS Creation Limited, bringing ideas to life. Adjust it on the left corner of the page. Then go to the elements again and search for a email icon. reduce the size and adjust it under the contact us. Then go to the email section and search for a phone icon. Reduce the size and adjust it under the email icon. And now let's type the addresses. Now let's type the email addresses and phone number. Then take a text box and type the other shape boxes. Here I am going to paste the dummy text. And now change the font color and change the middle shape box color. Make this right picture corner. Then go to the element and search for a real estate logo. Go to the graphics section and search for a logo. Let's take this logo and adjust it under the page. And let's change the color with the content. Make it orange and black. And then take a text box and type the company name. Let's see how it is look. Let's make the font. Let's change something. Let's make the font effect outline. Give them a little bit outline. And now let's adjust the all of things properly. Let's change the color of the first shape. Let's change the picture of the round shape. And let's give it a black transparency. And now adjust the all of things, home and for sale. Let's change the type of the home. Let's type property. Here it is, a real estate roll-up design. If you like this design, please like, share and subscribe. If you need any kind of designs like flyer, brochure, logo design or any kind of designs, please contact with us. Our contact details will be attached in the description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creation Limited.